Yeah, but this shit won't be ready till Monday, man. Hopefully Monday.
Well, y'all, as y'all can see, man, I'm back in Houston Friday afternoon, man. It's about 1:52. I'm about 30 minutes away from the house now, man. Yeah, man, that truck, they had to order a part. It wasn't coming in till Monday. They said it won't be here till Monday, so yeah, so now should I had to get a rental car, come on back to the house. I called the company this morning to see if they had a company truck I could jump in until that truck got fixed. But hell, when I called the company and talked to the manager there, shit, he told me, he said, man, go ahead and go home, man. Ain't nothing moving over here, man. We probably not gonna have nothing for those pneumatic trailers till sometime next week. So my advice to you is to go ahead and go home and get you some rest. Go ahead, go home, get you some rest, and come back ready to work, because you know we will have some new contracts soon and we're gonna be busy. So shit, man, I called my owner out back and let him know, hey man, because he was gonna get me a rental car last night, but I ended up opting out to just wait this morning to see if they had a truck at the company. But like I said, once the guy told me, just go ahead and just go home and get some rest and be ready for when they do get some loads. I called my owner out back and told him, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and need that car. So here we go, man. We out here, we back in Houston, and yeah, we back in this traffic. So we finna rest, man. I'm not quite sure when. I know the truck should be fixed, by Monday or Tuesday, at least by Tuesday, but that don't mean I'll be coming back out here on that day. So it all depends on when they got some work.